Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make homemade lemonade. First, gather your ingredients: fresh lemons, granulated sugar, and cold water. You'll also need a saucepan, a juicer, and a pitcher. We'll start by creating a simple syrup to ensure your lemonade is perfectly sweet and smooth, then combine everything for a truly refreshing drink that's easy to make. To begin, combine 1 cup of granulated sugar with 1 cup of water in a saucepan. Heat this mixture over medium heat, stirring constantly until all the sugar completely dissolves. This creates a simple syrup, which ensures your lemonade will be smooth and not grainy. Once dissolved, remove it from the heat and let it cool down entirely. Next, juice about 6 to 8 medium-sized lemons to yield approximately 1 cup of fresh lemon juice. Pour this fresh lemon juice into your pitcher. Add 3 cups of cold water to the pitcher. Finally, pour in the completely cooled simple syrup. Stir everything together thoroughly to ensure all the flavors are well combined. Now for the best part, taste your homemade lemonade. If it's too tart, add a little more simple syrup. If it's too sweet, you can add a splash more cold water. Serve your delicious lemonade over plenty of ice, garnished with fresh lemon slices or a sprig of mint. Enjoy this easy, refreshing drink and store any leftovers in the refrigerator.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.